Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see Bitcoin what is doing today as usual, starting with our channeling here, and finally we see somehow a breakout here for Bitcoin. And of course we see something different today. We see of course the price pushing for higher, getting out of the range here, and breaking out towards the upside, giving of course higher possibility here, start of course to push towards this scenario where we have of course three waves towards the upside here, after a massive three waves down, three waves up, of course regular flat, and then pushing five waves down. And especially of course that this price is looking somehow impulsive, meaning what if we are currently in 1-2 1-2 and we have several 1-2s internally, and we're looking for 3 4 5 4 5 for a massive wave A, B, and a C here in the regular flat that we are expecting here to have. So this expectation for a regular flat is coming of course from three ways down, W, X, and a Y, where you have finished zigzags, for the W and for the Y. Another of course regular flat for a wave X, and then we start to see of course here a potential range 1-2 and probably 3 4 5 for a wave A in case this is going to unfold. We'll see it on the micro level, and then of course having a wave C down, finishing the bear market here in a shallow wave B, wave 2 as an A, B, and a C here, finishing wave 2 and then pushing for higher again for a new bull run towards the 200k. Now, as I mentioned as well, it can be very likely even an aggressive move here from Bitcoin ABC, a zigzag, taking of course a new all-time high, at least 130k here, in a wave B expanding flat, and then pushing back again for the 1.618 Fibonacci level to reach of course the 0.38 again, where it was supposed to hit anyway in case it was a regular flat. So both will hit exactly the same target. It depends how much higher they go. So very, very interesting scenario that we might get here. We start to get some signals there for it. We're getting closer for this scenario. Not yet confirmed, but closer. I will tell you exactly where we're gonna confirm this scenario. Now, a deep correction, of course, needs continuation towards the upside, meaning if this turns into a correction ABC here, it still has the chance, of course, to push for lower in a wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, because we have double 1-2 here, wave 3 unfinished, and this is your wave 4 right now unfolding for a wave 3 in the blue count, and then of course after wave 3 here, getting wave 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 to finish up a wave A, and then wave B, and then wave C toward the downside, ABC zigzag, that it might take a long time here to finish up. Of course, this a very deep trend that it might take, even especially the wave C, it might take a longer time, because it's gonna finish up as a kind of like a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 and ending diagonal, which it takes somehow more sideways rather than aggressivity towards the downside. So of course, based on the regular flat that we might get here, ABC, well, we might finish earlier this bear market, and we might start of course a new bull market of course towards the 200k once we reach the 0.38 Fibonacci time here, and then of course pushing for something for higher, meaning around March 2027 we can claim that this scenario is finished, meaning 1 year from now. Yes, this bear market might be done, and then we push for higher. But this of course is an interesting move towards the upside in case this is going to happen. Let's move inside it on the 1 hour chart here. As you can see, for this correction here, I removed the triangle. No need for the triangle anymore. Of course it can still happen, but I doubt it that we're gonna be in a triangle again like this. I think it's a breakout here, and we see of course that we see a potential move towards the 1-to-1 fib level as an A, B, and a C here. So very likely that we reach the 1-to-1 fib level there as an A, B, and a C, or at least as a W, X, and a wave Y. The wave Y might be here an A, a B, and a C as well. However, if we take a look right now at what's going on over there, as I mentioned yesterday, we might be here in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, as a diagonal, finishing this wave C, like A, B, and a C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Currently, the wave 5 is still inside the perfect fib level, yeah, so we hit the target. We are in the perfect fib level for wave 5, so be careful from a truncation here as well. So it can be a truncation, meaning truncated wave C and A, B, and a C here. Unless, of course, also we're gonna have to bring the triangle again. Yeah. So if the price, now this is the trick, if the price continue toward the upside, breaking the 1-to-1 fib level, 73K 600, that means, of course, something else rather than just an ending diagonal unfolding over there for an A, B, and a C. So by all means, I prefer, of course, to take a new high. Yeah, so taking new high, meaning confirming that this is higher, taking a new high, and then, of course, probability, of course, to show something toward the downside still, because it can still be, of course, an ABC finished and then pushing down. Otherwise, if the things continues and hit the 1-to-1 fib level, okay, that is something totally different here, unfolding, not a diagonal anymore, giving a possibility for 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and wave 3 is unfolding toward the upside for 5-4-5. Especially the confirmation will be, of course, breaking the 1-to-1 fib level as an ABC here, and this, of course, might bring us towards our wave 3 and then 4 and a 5, our regular flat bear market that we saw, of course, in the daily. So this is exactly how it might happen here. So we have to watch it because it is a very, very critical time right now and critical area. So the 73K is our key level here. Definitely, of course, for confirmation for higher. Yeah, so we have already this tag. So confirmation for higher prices. And that means, of course, by breaking this area, okay, we are looking here for bullish, meaning, of course, like a very strong trend toward the upside on the daily. Yeah. This is regarding Bitcoin, guys. So those are the fib levels right now. Currently, we're very close to finish the diagonal. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, the 1-to-1 fib level here. In case the continuation will break it, that means, of course, yeah, next target will be the 1-to-1. Well, then we have to consider the W, X, and a Y, A, B, and a C in case. But yeah, confirmation even by breaking it here will be totally a 100, not 100, I would say like 80%, of course, that this is a very, very strong trend toward the upside, that it might be unfolding our regular flat in a bear market. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.